Golf Cart Garage gets a ton of calls and emails just like this one.
John writes in, I want to order online, but I'm concerned about ordering the wrong parts, and what happens if I need to return them? I'm not sure what's wrong with the cart and may need to order a few items. How are returns handled?
So it's time to Ask Dave right now on GCGTV.
Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today as we cover questions about ordering the wrong parts or equipment. We do everything we can to make it easy to find the right parts, like our innovative cart selector tool at golfcartgarage.com. But sometimes mistakes do happen. We're all human after all. Sometimes parts are ordered because they looked correct. Sometimes ordered for the wrong model of golf cart. Or maybe your toddler got a hold of your phone and ordered you some beautiful new tires when you weren't looking. No worries. Everything we carry at Golf Cart Garage comes with a 45-day return period, and returns can be handled 24/7 by using the Contact Us feature at golfcartgarage.com. Simply request a return authorization and you'll be emailed everything you need to get the job done. Or file a return request by phone Monday through Friday at 1-800-401-2934. We can provide help to find the right part as well, and return shipping of incorrectly sent items is on us. Just another way we make getting the right part for your cart as easy as possible. Remember to subscribe and keep watching as we answer more burning questions right here on GCGTV. Got one of your own? Shoot me an email to askdave@golfcartgarage.com.